Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. See that black has the king, 4 pawns, a knight and a bishop. White has the king, 3 pawns, rook, bishop and a knight. It's white's turn, and you see the checkmate in 2. If you move the bishop to f7, the black king can escape to c6, and there aren't any follow-up moves here to get a checkmate in 2. There's a checkmate in 3 if you move the bishop to a4. Black can try and push the b pawn, but you can take it. Then if they tried to push the c pawn, you can move in for the checkmate in 3. If you were to move the rook to, say, c1, if black were to move their knight, you could checkmate in 3 by moving the knight to e7. If they push the b pawn, then you can only get a checkmate in 3. It's similar to the last one where you have to move the bishop twice. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. So to checkmate in 2 for white, what you need to do is move the bishop to b5. Black pushes the c pawn, you can then move the bishop to c4 to checkmate in 2. If black pushes the g pawn, you can move the knight to f6 to checkmate in 2. If black moves their knight, you move the white knight to e7, checkmate the king in 2. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.